Hello and welcome to another episode of the devlog of Runes of Aereal. So what have I been up to? The main thing I've been working on is the upgrade of the character. So let me just show you what I mean by that. Here we are in the map. Let's go to another map point, and I've forced this to have an interface like this one, where I have the option to go and upgrade the character. You can click it, and then you get actually the exact same screen as when you start your journey, where you can select the hero, but instead of selecting the hero, you can now adapt it. And you can see that there is a little feather icon here in front of all the skills, and here in front of all of the traits. And you can select one of those. Here you can see that if you select one, all the other ones become nearly transparent again. And once you've selected one of those, you can just upgrade the character, and then this character will be upgraded. So what have I done in order to accomplish this? Quite some things actually. So if we go to the AI here, then you will see that, let me just get rid of this here, then you'll see that I've actually forced this mission type upgrade query to 10,000. So every time I click a map point, I am almost guaranteed to get this type of mission type, which allows me to just test this every time. So if we then go and look at the character selection screen, I've introduced a global string here called current selection mode. It can be one of two possibilities: the selection mode journey and the selection mode upgrade. So for the selection mode journey, that's just when we start the journey, you can select a hero and then you can just start. In the selection mode upgrade, you get the possibility to upgrade the hero what I've just shown, essentially. But it's actually the same layout, just behaving quite differently. And what way does it do that? Well, first and foremost, in a number of places, we'll see that these skill values will, for example, on every tick will update, but we'll only do that when in selection mode for journey, for example, not for upgrade. And also, I've added some temporary stuff here for testing. I've added when we are in upgrade, then we make these artifacts invisible, but when we are in journey, we make them visible, stuff like that. I've also added this extra indication text here, which is only visible when upgrading, of course, and not when we are not upgrading. And in the extras here, we can see that we set some things as visible or invisible, specifically some generic texts, and also the start journey text, which is this one here, is being set to start journey or upgrade depending on the type of screen we're just presenting to the user. So in the main menu, this this option will be set, of course, to journey when we start our journey, and when we upgrade, we set this mode to upgrade. Basically, that's it. So for the feather icon, let's see. This feather icon is a new icon here, an upgrade icon. It's got a skill attached to it, or a trait. It can be a trait or a skill. And to make the distinction between the two, we've got this upgrade type instance variable, and then this instance variable that's because it's selected yes or no. Basically, there can only be one selected, and this instance variable takes care of the recognition of that selection, yes or no, and then we can evaluate that. So what happens here when we click the upgrade icon, we clear all the upgrade icons, which is a function that just picks every upgrade icon and sets the selection to 0 and set the opacity to 0, basically. And basically after that we just select this the one we've selected, and we select it to 1, set selected to 1, opacity 100, and we also check if it's a trait and the traits dictionary does not contain that trait yet, then we can do that. So really some basic stuff here. I've also added some statistics. Here in the statistics we have this stats for traits now as well. These traits, stats for traits and stats for skills, so we can keep track of the number of times that a defense skill was upgraded and attack skill was upgraded, the use of the rage trait, the use of the escapist trait, and stuff like that. So that's some extra logic there for extra traits and skills and statistics for them. So basically that's it. Not a lot of things here to explain, but quite some interesting stuff to be adding to the game, because it is an essential part of the game logic. Alright, so that was it. As always, please like, please subscribe, and see you next time.